Our IP cameras require an Internet Explorer plugin to be used when you are live viewing or trying to control, say, maybe a PTZ. And of course, for that, you need to have an admin account, which will allow you to actually install the plugins for the Internet Explorer add-on. And then you can also change the security options as that user. In this example, though, we're going to show that you can still access those PTZs and the live view the cameras on a limited user on Windows PC. And for this, of course, the admin user would have to first install the Smart PSS 2.0 under that limited user. And here we can see that we are on a limited user when we try to go to other programs here that we've installed on the computer, and we get this prompt here, so you can know that we are on a limited user, but we've already installed Smart PSS on this user and gave it rights to run this program. And you don't even have to do anything extra to give it rights to run the program. We just installed it and then went on the other account and it worked just fine. Here we've already pulled in our warehouse. So we're going to go to the one camera here. We're going to bring it in full view. Now keep in mind too that you can control the PTZ through using Smart PSS 2.0 as well. In the bottom left hand corner we have PTZ. So we're going to click this caret here and drop down the menu. And now we're going to make sure we select our camera here and hit the zoom in icon. See, it might take a second. You might have to click the button again and it zooms right in. And we're going to zoom back out. As you can see, we are, just to reiterate again, we are on a account that is not an admin. As you can see, it brings up this prompt here. But we do have Smart PSS 2.0 installed. We were able to pull in our camera and we were able to use the PTZ commands with this motorized zoom camera. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you for watching.